Welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Clarity for sure once again, and here is a big update coming out from LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India. So recently LIC has released the notification regarding the recruitment of Assistant Administrative Officers, AAO, right, and for generalist scheme. This vacancy is for generalist schemes, which means कि all the graduate are eligible to apply for this particular examination, right? And the total number of vacancies are 350, which is a huge number. Among these 350, 341 are from current year and backlog 9, which makes it a total of 350. That is a huge number of vacancy, right? And coming to the online registration date. So online registration date is going to be start from 16th of August 2025 till 8th of September 2025. Tentative date has been also been announced, right? For prelims examination it is 3rd of October 2025, and for mains the tentative date is 8th of November 2025, right? Coming to the eligibility part, minimum age should be 21 years, 30 years should be maximum age. Baki ka, for more details you can go through this PDF once, right? And the most important part, that is educational qualification for AAO generalist stream, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized Indian university or institutions, right, are eligible to apply for this particular vacancy. Now let's see the syllabus once. So phase 1, that is preliminary examination. There is no negative marks for preliminary examination, right? So please note it down, there will be no negative marks for prelims as well as mains, right? So in this phase 1 examination you will be getting 3 sections: reasoning ability, quant aptitude, English language, right? 35 question, 35 marks, 35 question, 35 marks, 30 question, 30 marks, which means why this star asterisk has been quoted here, because English language test will be qualifying in nature and the marks thereof will not be counted for ranking, right? The total marks of this examination will be 70. Clear? You will be getting 1 hour to tackle these 70 question in your phase 1 prelims examination. Clear? Phase 2 mains examination, 300 marks and descriptive test for 25 marks, right? As you can see here, reasoning ability is there, 30 questions, 90 marks. General knowledge, 30 questions, 60 marks. Data analysis and interpretation, new subject has been added, GA and data analytics, right? 30 questions, 90 marks, which means 3 number of marks for each question. And finally insurance and financial market awareness, 30 questions, 60 marks, right, which makes it a total of 300 marks examination for phase 2, that is mains examination, right? You will be getting 2 hours to tackle these 120 questions, and there will be English language descriptive test also, right? Total 2 questions, 25 marks. Again the same thing, descriptive test for English language will be qualifying in nature, right? So yeah, that's it for the update, and if you are willing to prepare for this particular examination, kindly gear up, this is the time. And thank you so much for the session, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us in Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.